Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Mazda Gurus. Just come into our workshop today. Is this amazing 323, which in August is about to turn 29 years old. The customer used to own a Mazda dealer in Wednesbury and actually went to the original launch of the 323. We've all fallen in love with it, so I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. It's in such good condition. The wheels are a massive 13 inches. It looks all diddy. But we're saying for this car is actually older than most of the staff that get working here. But for the age, we were just saying how sort of even back then Mazda put a huge amount of standard in the car. So it's got electric windows, it's got electric mirrors. I'm just in love with the tape player, which I believe I don't even know what that is. But it's absolutely immaculate, absolutely proper car. So for any of you that love your old Mazdas, just thought I'd give you a little taste of what a wonderful car that started the Mazda 3 range. Oh, give me a pop-up headlight any day. So yeah, happy Tuesday everyone.